Got this dirt bike right here. This is the one that I machined all the cylinders parts on there and the head and created the new studs and stuff like that. Actually turned out super good and actually was running. Now we're trying to fix the carb issue. It's flooding and trying to fix it all up. But yeah, this thing is gonna be a definite ripper. He already ran it, my brother, and what happened was it ran for a little bit and started flooding. The needle was sticking and creating some more problems. But overall, we just got to figure out this carb issue right here, and took it all apart, blowing out the carb, so cleaning all these jets out and stuff like that, and it's gonna be definitely a ripper right here. So got this all blowed out. Now we're gonna assemble back and measure the distance for the float and get this thing back on the road. So that's our main thing right now. So here's the RM80 1999 carburetor. Trying to set the float, which we're thinking it's around 19 plus or minus 0.5 millimeters. So we have our handy dandy ruler, and basically it has a little plunger on the main needle float. Basically, you don't want that plunger to be compressed. So make sure it doesn't compress down. Let it just rest on there, and make sure you have your gasket installed and measure from your gasket about 19 millimeters, just like that. And should be a ripper. So we're going to test it out and slap this back together and try to give this thing a rip. We're gonna try it out without some choke right now. So go ahead and try to crank it. Let's pull the choke now.
Yeah.
All right, pull the choke. Hold on. Let's check it out. Let's check spark. Make sure we got spark. So should be one of these.
Yeah.
All right, let's try it. Teaching them young ones how to run their stuff. All right, ready?
Yeah. Too much compression, huh? Oh yeah. Good spark.
Good?
Good spark.
All right. I guess we just gotta maybe spray some gas in the thing. All right, I'm gonna squirt some gas in the air intake while he's trying to kicks it over. Let's go. So since the engine got flooded prior to this carb cleaning and adjustment, there was a lot of fuel sitting down in the crankcase, which would like end up starting up and then flooding. So we ended up taking off the spark plug, cleaning it, heating it up a little bit, and then running the engine off, running the engine with gas trying to come out of the head, and made sure the gas line was off and gave it a few tries. So now we're pretty sure that it's gonna start. So we're just gonna go ahead and try to kick this thing over and see if it runs. Let's go. Yep. Heck yeah, there it goes. Man, super proud. This thing just turned up to be definitely a ripper. And we got the seat for it. And that thing's pretty much all complete. Just got that thing, put it all, bolted all up. And this thing is definitely a ripper. I mean, when it did run, it was popping wheelies in third gear. So this is a RM80. And that's a 99 gear. And definitely ready to rip. So got this thing all running. Definitely satisfied. You satisfied?
Oh yeah, very.
Heck yeah. Well, maybe we'll do some ripping someday. But for now, thanks for watching. Peace.